I want to give you another tip when it comes to threading your sewing machine. Now, yesterday I had spoken with you about different thread types, and depending on the type of, or the way that your thread is wound on the spool will dictate where you want to put the thread. Let me show you something else that's just as important. We are now looking at the throat plate on the sewing machine, and so if we're sewing, our fabric is going to go through here, and these are the presser feet. And the presser feet go up or down and up. Down when we sew, up when we're not. You want to make sure that when you're threading the upper housing that your presser foot is in the up position. This is critically important because the presser foot not only controls the pressure on the fabric, it also controls the tension discs in here. And you want the tension discs to be open when you're threading.